Hey guys, keep watching this video to see my cheap and healthy breakfast, lunch and dinner ideas. I hope you enjoy it. Let's go. So for my breakfast smoothie you need almond milk, 1 banana and some frozen spinach. Then you literally put all the ingredients in your blender. So I use a Nutri-Roller, put my banana in, then the spinach and then the milk. That is literally it. Put it straight on, let it blend, and that's your first meal of the day. Done. On to lunch, I went for a mushroom, broccoli, tomato pasta inspired by Rachel Amma. So you start by chopping your broccoli, then adding it to this tray, then your tomato. Shout out to Miss Wood for teaching me the bridge hold, probably the only thing I ever listened to in food tech. Then you add your tomato to your broccoli, put a bit of olive oil in, give it a mix, and then add some seasonings of your choice. I added garlic pepper and then some mixed herbs, but you can do what you want. Then that's ready to go straight in the oven and it's time to prepare the rest. So put your pasta to boil, then chop up some onion, mushroom and garlic, put some oil in your pan and then you can start to fry them. Then I add in the milk to create a sort of sauce. I've got almond milk, whatever. Then add some seasonings again of your choice. I think I added garlic and paprika, but you can use anything you want. Then give that a mix. Then I thought I'd just add in just a bit of pesto. There was barely anything left, so I done that. Then you leave it to boil. Then once it's done that, you can add your pasta in. Take out your broccoli and tomato from the oven. Then you're done. Add your pasta to the bowl. Then put on top your broccoli and your tomatoes, add a bit of seasoning on top, and that's it. That's your lunch done. Now on to dinner. I like to make a Mexican naked burrito bowl. It actually doesn't take long and it's really yummy and pretty healthy. So you chop up some onion for the salad, put it in a bowl, and then you leave some behind for your rice. Chop up some spring onions and also some tomatoes. Then for the juice, you squeeze 2 lemons and that's your salad done. Then moving on to the rice, I started frying some onions, then I added the plumbed tomatoes, and then you add your rice. Then while you leave that to cook, I'll add a bit of seasoning always. I had made some chicken the day before, so while the rice cooked, I chopped up the chicken. There's a lot of chicken, and then the rice was ready. All perfect and fluffy and tomatoey. Then you warm up your pinto beans, and then you're literally ready to dish out. So you add your rice to the bowl. Oh, steamy camera. There we go. Then you can add your salad. And then obviously warm up your chicken and add that on. Then get a spoon of guacamole. And then finish it off with some cheese. And literally, that is your burrito bowl done. So thanks for watching the video guys. I hope I've given you new ideas for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Let me know what you guys eat, comment down below, and if you do any of these, let me know and send me your pics. Thanks for watching, bye.